3 years ago, I was just coming out of a years-long depression and burnout, the kind that creeps in slowly when you've been in a very difficult marriage for a very long time. What finally got me moving again wasn't a grand plan or a big breakthrough. It was actually a simple Facebook post. An acquaintance in a depression support group shared that the only thing she could manage to do one day was to dig up a small plot of dirt to plant flowers. And she showed us a before and after picture. The grass, the dirt, just to give herself something to look forward to. And for some reason, that moved me. I asked her, how long did that take you? She figured 20 minutes. Feeling like I had nothing to lose, I went outside and I decided to clean out the existing patch of what used to be a garden. And I dug, I got rid of rocks and weeds, and I turned the soil. Every day I'd go out for maybe 10, maybe 15, sometimes 20 minutes, and I tackled just a small piece of the yard, cleaning things out. Now, the yard had always been my husband's domain. I never paid much attention to it except to notice that it was always kind of a mess. He told me there's not enough sunlight, we can't have grass, it's not going to work. But over time, 15 garbage bags of debris, who knows how many leaf bags, I started reclaiming the yard. I moved some plants from the front to the back, created a little seating area, and I started seeing beauty again. Not just in the yard, but in me. And when I finished, I looked around and I thought, I want my life to feel like this yard. I want it to be peaceful, tidy, and most of all, welcoming. So then I moved inside. I started decluttering my space, but eventually I realized it wasn't just stuff that was bothering me. I needed to declutter the relationships even more than the yard. It had a lot of ignored debris. The unspoken things, the heavy silences, the secrets that I was never allowed to talk about. Ever. It was painful. There were so many tears of despair because I couldn't get him to talk. But it also made me angry in a good, necessary way. Because if you want to reclaim your life, you have to clear out the people who make you live in silence. You have to let go of the secrets that eat away at your mental health. Every dysfunctional family has this one thing in common. They keep secrets. Shh. They make you keep secrets within the family. And those secrets, my friend, they keep you sick. And when I finally decluttered the people who insisted that I stay silent and the secrets themselves, that deep, dark pit that I had been so stuck in for such a long time, suddenly there was a ladder to get out. Like those flowers that I planted, I started to grow towards the light. And now I'm about to move for the second time in 2 years. This little garden was a place of recovery for me, and I'm ready to do much bigger things. So now I can go. In less than 3 weeks, I'm stepping into a whole new city, 7 hours away, 540 kilometers away from the triggers. A clean slate without all the emotional debris and the secrets muting me. This move is the culmination of several years of emotional, physical, and spiritual decluttering. And I've now reclaimed my serenity, my health, and the pieces of myself that I had unknowingly given away, all in the name of love. But it wasn't reciprocated love. Those breadcrumbs, they weren't enough to grow any beautiful flowers. My life was like that garden, that yard, and now it's revitalized too. If any of this speaks to you, if you've been living with too many secrets, too much clutter, too little light, you're not alone and you're not stuck. You deserve to feel seen, heard, valued, and respected. So I'm here if you want to talk.